Good evening to everyone. My name is S. Balaji. I am studying 8th class in Sri Sarojini High School. Let me tell about the scientist of C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was one of the great scientists in India. He was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. C.V. Raman's father name was Chandrasekhar Ramanathan Nayyar and mother's name was Parvati, Parvati Ammal. In his childhood, he was a brilliant student. In India, National Science Day is celebrated to commemorate the Raman effect, the discovery of Raman effect by the C.V. Raman on February 28, 1928. C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, the discovery of Raman effect and the Bharat Ratna, Franklin Medal and more. C.V. Raman full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. He died on 21st November 1970. C.V. Raman is an inspiration for future generations of scientists. Thank you.